Situated in a quiet cul-de-sac in the peaceful hamlet of North Mundham is this individually designed home offering the perfect blend between style and versatility. The property offers just over 1,500 square feet and has been remodelled and modernised in recent years to now offer a lovely home which has to be seen. This is Spacious. Let's take a look around. As soon as you step into this home from the spacious entrance hall, you will immediately begin to appreciate the bright, well-proportioned accommodation. A key feature of the ground floor is the newly remodelled triple aspect kitchen dining room, which bathes in natural light from dawn to dusk, and it's fitted with a range of stylish white fronted cupboard units, integrated appliances and a contrasting kingfisher blue work island. There is also space for dining and a soft seating area and French doors to the south-facing garden. The ground floor accommodation also includes a sitting room, double bedroom and shower room. On the first floor there are 2 double bedrooms, a bathroom and a study. The principal bedroom has double aspect windows and boasts an ensuite shower room. The charming hamlet of North Mundham is a wonderful place to call home. In the nearby village of Runcton, there is the Walnut Tree Public House plus a farm shop. The nearby city of Chichester offers excellent high street shopping, many fashionable restaurants, cafes and bars, festival theatre and a mainline train station to London. Goodwood is located to the north and it's famous for its many events including the world-renowned Festival of Speed and Goodwood Revival for motor racing enthusiasts. There are excellent sailing facilities around Chichester Harbour and windsurfing from the beaches of West Wittering. Whether you are a young family, a working professional or retiree, North Mundham has something to offer for everyone. For more information on this beautiful home or to arrange a viewing, my name is Goretti. My details are attached at the end of this film.